Welcome to our whiteboard tutorial on mastering the 5 whys tool. In this video, we'll explore how to effectively utilize this powerful problem-solving technique, grounded in a real-life business example. So, let's get started. What is definition? In essence, the 5 whys is a problem-solving method that involves repeatedly asking why to uncover the root cause of an issue. Its purpose is to pinpoint underlying problems rather than merely addressing surface symptoms. How to use it? Now, let's demonstrate how to apply the 5 whys tool effectively, using a quality-related example. Step 1. Determine the problem. Start by precisely defining the quality problem. It's crucial to accurately describe the issue to ensure a focused investigation. Consider a scenario where the length of a manufactured part consistently is out of tolerance. That's our problem statement. Step 2. Ask why. First time. Ask why the problem occurred and record the answer. This sets the stage for uncovering the underlying causes. In our case, inquire, why is the length of part out of tolerance? The response could be, because the machining process is yielding incorrect dimensions. Step 3. Ask why. Second time. Continue the inquiry by probing deeper into the reasons behind the initial answer. Use the previous answer to ask another question. Why is the machining process yielding incorrect dimensions? The answer may be, because the cutting tool is worn out and causing variations in part length. Step 4. Ask why. Third time. Persist with the questioning to uncover additional layers of causation. Ask why the cutting tool is worn out and causing variations in part length. The response might be, because regular maintenance checks on the cutting tool have been neglected. Step 5. Ask why. Fourth time. Continue peeling back the layers to reveal the root cause. Inquire why regular maintenance checks on the cutting tool have been neglected. The answer could be, because the maintenance schedule was not properly documented, leading to oversight. Step 6. Ask why. Fifth time. Lastly, ask the final question to reach the root cause. In our case, why was the maintenance schedule not properly documented, leading to oversight? The answer may be, because of a lack of proper documentation. Step 7. The root cause. Finally, we arrive at the root cause of the problem, so basically the root cause is the answer to the last fifth question, which in our case is, lack of proper documentation. And there you have it. Thank you for joining us today. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com. Until next time.